Nashville is a great place, but it's not an easy place to get around on a bicycle.
Downtown is pretty tricky. People here don't follow the lights. Apparently, driving a car here takes more time than riding a bike because of the traffic.
The city had their plans all ready to go to install protected bike lanes on Commerce Street and 3rd Avenue, and a few business owners got upset about moving their loading zones just a couple feet, and the entire project was put on hold. We created this protected bike lane in a couple of hours this morning, and we want to show all of downtown Nashville how easy, affordable it can be to create safe bicycling infrastructure.
We'd really like the city to build these. They're already funded to have safe infrastructure for not only cyclists, but for people riding scooters, people walking, and keep the streets safer for everyone.
I guess I was in Mexico City in January, which has protected bike lanes everywhere. It was inspiring to see that you could have something other than sort of randomly going everywhere.
There's been tons of people scooting in Nashville, which is great for people getting around, but it's not good because we don't have very many safe places for them to go. So people are kind of having to pick between riding on sidewalks and annoying people who are walking, or riding on the street where they don't feel safe.
Overdue for us to build protected bike lanes in our downtown core. We're expected to have over 40,000 more employees in downtown Nashville in the coming years. We can't fit any more cars. We need other ways to move people in and through and around downtown. So we're excited to show downtown Nashville what you can do with a protected bike lane. Thank you everyone for coming today. We appreciate it. I hope you'll sign our core bike lane petition if you haven't already.